Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and I thought I'd vlog for you. If you're new to my channel, my name's Elizabeth. I make a lot of fashion and lifestyle vlogs, so if that's your vibe, then definitely subscribe. Sitting here, my light is very bright on camera, but here's my couch. Everything's coming along. My other table. I'm really excited about how my apartment's turning out, and it's just been really fun. So like, keep following along for all the updates because there's gonna be way more. I need to find my fall decor at my parents' house, bring that over here. And then I also need to get a pumpkin candle. So today at some point I'm going to the store and I'm gonna see if I can find one. I just got back from pet sitting. I pet sat for a week and now my apartment needs some TLC. I need to clean my kitchen like desperately. There's just dishes in the sink that I haven't had a chance to do. Plus I got a new set of dishes that needs washed, so it's like double the dishes, double dish. But first I'm gonna journal. I haven't journaled in months and I miss it. So I'm gonna do that and then also read my Bible, and it's gonna be a chill morning. I think I'm gonna put on a little bit of music on the TV, like some jazz or something. I haven't done that in a while either. All right, oof, I look a little rough. It's time for a shower. And I also need to pick out what I'm wearing to church. I have no idea, like, I have just stuff everywhere, honestly. My life has been complete chaos, literally, like just crazy. Not complaining, it just has been, it's the way it is. So, most of my fall boots are at my parents' house still, which kind of sucks because today's totally a boot day. I think I have my docs here though, so that's probably going to heavily influence what I wear to church. I think I'm just gonna wear, I don't know, I don't think a dress is gonna be very cute with docs, honestly. I was gonna wear this cheetah dress, but I don't think I wanna wear docs with my dress. I don't know, I'm just not feeling that today. It's like, sometimes that's cute, but I don't know. I mean, I guess I could just wear like sandals, even though it's kind of cold. No, I'm not doing that either. Man, wish I had my boots here. I did get these pleather leggings from Shein. I haven't tried them on, but they could work. And then like, I think I might have it, you guys. I have my shacket. Hate that word, but what else am I gonna say? Wear this jacket with them, as long as they fit. If they don't, I'm just gonna wear jeans. And then I just need a shirt for underneath the shacket, which I think I'm gonna just go with, let's see, what do I have in here? I'm just gonna wear, honestly, I'm just gonna wear this black tank top, I think. Come on, little guy, where are you at? Just gonna wear this. We have an outfit. Oh my gosh, I have got to tell you guys something. Why is it zooming in on me? Okay, I have to tell you guys something. I just got done showering, I put my hair product in, all that. I was on Instagram and one of my favorite songs is trending. I didn't think anyone else would know it. It's called Golden Hour, and I don't know how to say the artist's name or how it's pronounced. I would say Jake, but it's spelled G-V, oh my God. It's spelled J-V-K-E. So you guys gotta look it up. It's such a good song. So I'm getting my handy dandy ring light tripod out, and I'm going to film like a get ready with me, basically, like, you know how you build an outfit or whatever and all the cute aesthetic that girl Instagrammers do. I am not that girl, but today we're pretending to be, just like they say on stories and on TikTok and Reels. So it's almost time to leave for church. I want to show you guys my outfit. Here's my earrings. They're from Forever 21. I got these so long ago. It's been probably 3 years since I bought these. I really need to update my jewelry. I might actually stop at some stores. Like, I need to go to Target because I really want a pumpkin candle, and then maybe I'll stop at the mall and just pick up a couple pieces of jewelry just because I need to update my collection. All right, why? I don't understand my life. Here's my outfit. This jacket is from, gosh, this mirror makes me look super skinny. Jacket's from Forever 21. So is the tank top, I believe. And then my Shein pleather leggings and my shiny Docs that need polished. So they're not really that shiny. Time to go to church. All right, just got home from church and the grocery store. Church was really good. Our pastor ended up cooking for the young adults, so I stayed and had some food with everybody. Then I went to Aldi, as you saw, and I'm gonna do a mini grocery haul. I didn't get a lot, so. But the bag is really heavy because everything I got is like 2 pounds. So I got some chicken tenderloins. I got frozen ones though because I cannot eat fresh stuff fast enough. That's just me, and I don't like have people over or anything. So I can just, and I don't have to eat them all at once. I can just thaw out what I want and cook that, you know, it'll be a lot easier. So peanut butter, it's always good to have PB on hand. I got some oatmeal. I have a few different plans for these, so got some of that. Some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm gonna make protein balls with the oatmeal I got. And the ingredients for that call for chocolate chips, peanut butter, ground flaxseed. So I'll put that down here too. And honey. It also calls for honey, so I have honey. And then last but not least, I drank all of my coffee, so I got another can. Great day when you restock your coffee. Now I don't have to go without coffee or go to Dunkin' tomorrow morning, so. That's it for that. Now I'm going to do my dishes. Lots of dishes to do. So I ended up going over to my mom's for a bit, but I had my hair in a bun. when I was cleaning, and it's a mess now, but I have all of these dishes to put away now, and my water bottle needs washed, but yeah, I'm gonna put these away really fast, and then I'm gonna watch TV because I'm tired. I just realized I've had like no water today. All that water I just dumped out was from this morning. And then I was thinking about it. I just washed this water bottle yesterday, so it doesn't really need washed. I'll wash it tomorrow. I really wish I had a dishwasher. It would be so awesome. My next place, I'm gonna make sure I have one. A dishwasher. That's probably the only thing about this apartment that I don't have that I wish I did. Also, probably just the fact that I live on the top level. It's just hard to get things up and down, you know, the stairs and whatnot. So maybe the next place I won't live on the top floor. Like I'll live like in a townhouse or something, you know. Anyway. Kind of hungry, but I don't know what to eat. I guess I could make like chicken and Brussels sprouts in the oven. It probably wouldn't be bad. Let's see. I'm not starving yet, so I'm gonna try to thaw out my chicken tenders first, or whatever you want to call them. There's this girl I've been following on Instagram. She actually followed me. It's called, I think her account is Unprocessed Foods. I'll put it on the screen, or I'll link it below so you guys can see it, because she posts like really, really good food. It looks so good, and it's like healthy and natural, like unprocessed. The only thing that stinks about this, like I said, I'm not starving, but I'm starting to kind of get hungry, so I want to start the process of cooking. So we'll see if that takes a while. If not, I'll just probably have to bake it a little bit longer or whatever. Or I'll just eat some ramen noodles and then have that thawed for tomorrow and just put it in the oven for lunch tomorrow.